is the all-new Mazda 6, a brand new car from the ground up, and the most technologically advanced car Mazda has ever built. Available in either sedan or wagon, this is the Atenza, the top-of-the-range model. Atenza is taken from the Italian word attenzione, which means attention. And a lot of attention was put into this car. Let me show you what I mean.
On the outside, the Mazda 6 has a striking new design inspired by Mazda's Kodo design language. That means a bold, sporty look and distinctive character lines throughout the car. But it's more than just style. The design helps the car cut through the air so it achieves outstanding aerodynamic performance.
Inside, there's a refined interior with everything you need at your fingertips, like these paddle shifters, which means you can change gears without even needing to take your hands off the steering wheel. These heated leather seats are a really nice addition for those cold mornings, and they can be power adjusted to your preferred driving position. The infotainment system is positioned higher up on the dashboard to make it easier for the driver to see. TomTom sat-nav and a reversing camera are standard across the range, while the GT and Atenza models also get a Bose audio system and a power sunroof. You can also connect your smartphone via Bluetooth, and the system can display and read out your emails and text messages. There's also voice recognition, so if you want to call someone or even select a track to play, you just press this button.
Ready.
Other features include an iPod-compatible USB input, push-button start, and rain-sensing wipers. The Mazda 6 is built on SkyActiv technology, which is all about reducing weight, lowering fuel consumption, improving performance, yet most importantly being exhilarating to drive. And the Mazda 6 still has that spirited feel when you put your foot down, and that same agility through the corners that Mazdas are known for. There's also a choice of engines. There's the 2.2 litre SkyActiv D diesel engine and a new 2.5 litre SkyActiv G petrol engine. Today, I'm driving the diesel. And this diesel engine produces 11% more torque over the previous model, all while using just 5.4 litres per 100 kilometres. That's better than most hybrids. The new 2.5 litre SkyActiv G petrol engine is equally as impressive. Pumping out 138 kilowatts of power and 250 newton meters of torque, it'll only use 6.6 litres of fuel for every 100 kilometres. That means you're going to spend a lot less time at the pump and a lot more time driving. There's smart technology that closes the energy loop. When you take your foot off the accelerator, that forward energy is normally lost. Well, IE Loop is a capacitor-based system that captures that energy, stores it, and then uses it again to power the car's various electrical systems, which saves you fuel in the process. The Mazda 6 has a new suite of advanced safety technology called iActivSense. High-tech devices around the car like cameras and radar help you, the driver, to recognise hazards and avoid collisions. Have you ever experienced a situation like this where you're driving along, you've got your cruise control set, and then suddenly the car in front of you starts to slow down? Normally you'd have to jam your foot on the brake or you'd have to cancel your cruise control. With adaptive cruise control, the system automatically senses that the car in front of you is slowing down and then decreases your speed to maintain a safe distance between you and the car in front. Then when that car in front gets out of the way, the adaptive cruise control will automatically adjust your speed back to the original setting. It's pretty impressive technology. Another great feature is the forward obstruction warning. Using a sensor at the front of the car, the Mazda 6 will alert you if you're approaching an obstacle and need to brake in order to avoid a collision. If there's an obstacle ahead and for whatever reason you don't apply the brakes, a feature called Smart Brake Support will automatically step in and apply the brakes for you to reduce the likelihood of a collision. Other iActivSense technologies include things like lane departure warning, an adaptive front lighting system, high beam control, and blind spot monitoring. But for more information on any of these, check out the Mazda website.
Mazda's latest offering, the all-new Mazda 6, really is bringing the attention to detail with cutting-edge styling and technology designed not only to look and feel great, but to save you money at the same time. So if you're looking for a new car, your choice may have become a bit easier or just a little bit tougher.